Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Another popular way to keep one of the inspirational messages alive that I shared during my talks is to wear them. With me right here, I have the main t-shirt concepts that we offer. You can get these on the store on the website, mrpeace.org. You can buy them in bulk or individually, and these can serve as incentives for positive behavior or really just to keep promoting the main themes that I discuss during my presentations. The age-old concept and design that we've had for years is the one race human. We have this in 5 different colors, the bright safety orange as you see here, and a number of pastels. We got a Carolina blue, azalea, violet, and a kiwi green. And these are pretty cool. These really speak to the theme of the bullying presentation when it comes to looking at someone's heart first and that we see everybody as human beings before anything else. The other older design, but one that's probably one of my favorites, is the keep your head up, upside down on purpose. I've had a lot of students that have stopped me over the years and said, hey, your shirt's upside down. I said, yeah, I know it's supposed to be, but this shirt is really synonymous with the positive life choice presentation, being your best self, which speaks about knowing that the opposite of success, it's not failure, but it's quitting or choosing to give up. And as long as we never give up, as long as we keep going, no matter what, no matter how many times we might get something wrong or fail, that we strive to just keep giving our best and greatest effort. And that's what this shirt's about, that the times that we do feel down or look down, it's a reminder to keep our head up, right? These are available not only in the black color that you see here, but more solid colors. We have a red, royal blue, purple, as well as a Helisonia or a darker pink option. And then we have some new concepts as of the start of 2019, which I'm very excited to release. And these are all original designs. And the first one that you'll see here is the Need Human Kindness. We got this on a lilac or violet background. And part of my diversity program, the principal focus here is on showing human kindness and the fact that we truly need it. And you can see that it starts in the heart, right? That's where the peace begins, and that's where the kindness begins, and now it's up to us to go and share that with others. Another really awesome design, I always speak about the M etched on all of our palms for miracle. Right side up, it stands for miracle, and upside down, W, stands for worthy. The lines on every one of our palms, we all have this, and it's a reminder to ourselves that we are etched in perfection, that we are beautiful people. We just sometimes need to be reminded of that. And what better way to do that than this shirt here. So we have this on a sapphire background, but we got the miracle. It's actually my hand right here that we traced, but on the front side, it says miracle with the M right there in the black hand background. And then on the back of the shirts, conversely, it says worthy, the W there, which is a pretty cool idea that really helps to really just, serves to remind us that we're okay just the way we are, and that we are worthy of love, and that once we understand that we are true miracles, then we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart and show them that they're worthy and that they're also miracles as well. Not only the reminder on our hands, but now you can wear it too. And this one is probably another one of my favorites. It's original creation, and we have this hand sign, the peace sign, on this electric green background. But it's such a cool idea here. We basically have 3-in-1 or maybe 4 in 1, I guess, but it's the M and the P, Mr. Peace, right? That's built into the logo. We have the M again, and the upside down W, miracle and worthy. You guys can see the heart outline obviously in the red background, showing you that it's all about hearts. And the different colors, that represents diversity, right? But all together, we can all come together, no matter our background, our whatever we've been through, whatever walk of life we might walk, that this serves as another symbol that we're more alike than we are different, but that we have to appreciate not only our similarities, but really value our differences as well and learn to grow with each other. What's also pretty cool about every one of these shirts is that each one comes with the armband. So on the left sleeve, you'll get the newly improved Mr. Peace logo. So you have the open concept here of the peace sign to show that we are open to other people, and it's a little bit rounded on the edges to kind of show more compassion, like a softer approach to peace. You got the Mr. Peace, the new name is a little more contemporary, a little more hip as well, and then the mantra, our motto that's always stuck true and will continue to as we move forward to spread peace and love throughout this world. It says, reaching hearts, changing lives. So that's on every shirt going forward. And what a lot of schools are starting to do, or just organizations, people that want to get this for their entire school or entire class, is that the other sleeve is blank. And so what some schools are choosing to do in different places is that they'll end up putting their school logo on the other arm. Or in some of these we have obviously nothing on the back, so that's an option too, that you can put it there, and that even shows greater school pride, tradition, that we're trying to team up and partner in this quest for peace, for nonviolence, for tolerance, for understanding, compassion, respect, you name it. That's what we're trying to push. So these are those current 5 designs that really talk to the primary principles that I really try to hammer home during all my assemblies, and would love for you guys to spread the message by not only how you live, but by what you choose to wear as well. So again, feel free to go to the website. There's a store link there for bulk orders or anything past a certain amount. Please feel free to contact me directly via email, info@mrpeace.org, and we can talk about pricing it as it relates to that. But more importantly, like I always say, I just want you to keep the message going by how you choose to go out there and inspire others by sharing your hearts. I always ask the question at the end of every talk, how many of you, for how many of you did I say something today that touched your hearts? And pretty much every hand goes up, and that's the gift that's spoken through me that I'm able to give to you guys, coming straight from the hearts. And now it's up to you to go and continue to share that by how you choose to treat other people and how we choose to make this world a kinder and more peaceful planet. So thanks for touching my heart, as always. You guys are all beautiful miracles in my book, and please consider supporting the message through this avenue as well. Much love. Peace.